Welcome to this tutorial on how to troubleshoot Monday.com column types. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to manage projects and workflows efficiently. Column types are a crucial aspect of Monday.com as they determine the type of data that can be entered into a column. To start troubleshooting column types, first, you need to understand the different types of columns available in Monday.com. These include text, number, date, checkbox, and more. Each column type has its unique characteristics and limitations. When troubleshooting column types, the first step is to identify the issue. Ask yourself what is not working as expected. Is the data not being displayed correctly, or are you unable to enter data into a column? Once you have identified the issue, check the column settings to ensure that the correct column type is being used. For example, if you are trying to enter a date into a text column, it will not work as expected. You need to change the column type to date to be able to enter dates correctly. Another common issue is when you are trying to perform calculations on a column, but it is not working. This is usually because the column type is not set to number. To fix this, simply change the column type to number and you will be able to perform calculations. It is also important to note that some column types have specific formatting requirements. For instance, the date column type requires dates to be entered in a specific format. If the dates are not entered correctly, the column will not work as expected. To avoid issues with column types, it is best to plan your board structure carefully before creating columns. Consider the type of data that will be entered into each column and choose the correct column type accordingly. Additionally, make sure to test your columns regularly to ensure that they are working as expected. This will help you identify any issues early on and prevent errors from occurring. By following these steps and best practices, you will be able to troubleshoot Monday.com column types effectively and ensure that your boards are working efficiently. Remember to always choose the correct column type for the data you are working with and test your columns regularly to prevent errors.